The new support bar is held in place by these two rings that are welded to the rod. The other end of the rod is left plain, so I can remove it from the bellows if I need to, but now I don't have to actually get inside the bellows to remove those lock collars that I had originally installed. The support rod is a 5/8 inch round bar, and I'm going to be using these 3/4 inch nuts for the rings. The first thing I need to do is forge the nut down until it's about half of its original thickness. And then I need to hammer the corners of the nut back down until I get a round washer that fits the bar. I'm not too concerned about any minor distortions that I might have in the shape of the washer right now. All I need is for the outside diameter of the washer to be fairly consistent and the inside diameter to match the 5/8 rod that I'm using for the support bar. Everything else I can clean up once I've got it welded in place. Here I have the outer ring welded in place. When I welded the ring, I let the support rod stick out past the collar about 3/8 of an inch, and then I filled that whole space with welding rod, and then I roughly ground it to a conical point. Now I just need to refine the shape and forge out any of the grinder marks. When I welded the inside ring, I just used a very small bead of weld on the bellows side of the ring, and then any hammer refining that I need to shape the ring would just take care of the weld. I didn't even bother grinding it. It's on the bellows side, so I wasn't concerned about anyone being able to see that.